Legends of Learning presents The Wondering Vagabond Classifies Two-Dimensional Figures Game. This is a math game that makes learning about common attributes of 2D figures fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, Quadrilaterals have invaded the art gallery. The Wondering Vagabond and the gnome need your help to clean them up and restore the paintings. Collect the incorrect shapes to reveal the picture. Use the arrow keys to move around the canvas to collect the correct shaped objects and deliver them to reveal the artwork. If you collect the incorrect shapes, you will lose a life. Lose all your lives and you'll have to restart. So make sure you know your shapes well to collect the correct objects to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.